The Five on Fox is not one of those tightly scripted news programs where they're just reading off of a teleprompter. They speak extemporaneously, and unfortunately that leads to things like this.
The Chinese are the single biggest threat to the national security of the United States. They have been, and they will be, and they can wait. They're very patient. You know what they just did? As usual, we bring them over here, and we teach a bunch of Chinese people how to do computers. They go back to China and they hack into us, right? The Chinese now have hacked into the Office of Management and Budget.
Okay.
It's a Office of Personnel Management. Mm-hmm. And who do they go after? Everybody with a top security clearance. So right. China.
Oh! I don't know what that symbol was.
That's
it's offensive, I imagine.
On the panel. That's Bob Beckel is the perfect liberal to have on a Fox News panel, right? Because all of a sudden, the liberal one is the one who said Chinaman, right? Yeah. Us conservatives, we would never say something like that.
Yeah. Every reference to Bob Beckel is liberal host
right.
Bob
so
Beckel.
Liberal host of racist host Bob Beckel. So
liberals are racist too.
Right. It's what it's look. It's exactly what it's Melissa Harris Perry.
It's Melissa Harris Perry all over again.
They have found a way. I would argue that the manner in which he said that it's entirely possible. Again, because now I believe the whole Ben Shapiro. Is that his name, Ben Shapiro?
Yes.
That was all scripted. The thing we did at the beginning of the show, like that might have been scripted. Bob Beckel will do whatever they ask. That seems pretty clear.
He will do whatever they ask.
The whole thing could have been scripted.
He will go against unions. He will go against Social Security. He will misinform, all the while pretending to be a Democrat.
And now Republicans can have it as a mainstream Republican strategy in southern states to make sure that blacks don't have the right to vote. Everybody who's been a felon or has a name like a felon, they'll just strike from the rolls. You got to go back and prove it. We've seen in state after state after state that what they don't want is they don't want black and brown people voting because they don't vote for Republicans. So they'll deny them the right to vote, which is racism at its most basic form. And now they have been able to say,
look, liberals are racist too because Beckel said both sides do it.
Both sides do it. Both sides are racist.
Because Beckel at one point was a liberal. Man, if you're somehow a really racist liberal, you can get rich. Just sign up for a job at Fox, man. They desperately want that. They've got most of their quotas of the different racial and religious groups who are willing to throw their own members under the bus, but they still want some more liberals, I think.
Look, you can't say what he said, but I'm a bad guy. That always makes me laugh. That word. Every time.
It's very old-timey.
It's very old-timey.
It's so ridiculous.
How mad can you get at somebody who says that?
Yeah.
I heard a Frenchman say it once and made me laugh. And then I heard an Englishman say it.
It sounds like something a Dutchman would say.
Did you hear an Irishman say it?
Once said it, yeah.
But what about a Chinese guy?
The Chinese person didn't say it.
Did not say it?
He did not say it, but the Irishman and the Englishman.
Yeah, so obviously he's getting a lot more attention for that particular slur, but we have a little bit more of what he said, and what he actually says is pretty objectionable too.
Doesn't anybody worry about these people? There's billions of them, and all they do is hack into our stuff. They send us cheap toys, all of which got lead in it, and they're killing kids.
Oh my goodness.
I think every at least East Coast white family has one overweight guy at dinner who will get super drunk and have a bright red nose and looks exactly like Bob Beckel. That is his role.
Yeah, what's amazing is, you would have people at Fox News in favor of the cheap stuff that the United States gets from China. Yeah. Think about all of the labor rights that get absolutely destroyed because we have huge corporations here that want to buy their products at a cheaper price because they treat their employees like shit. You know what I mean? So it's just funny to hear Bob Beckel make that point. All right, that's cool. If you don't like that, then let's stop outsourcing jobs and keep them here in the United States and start manufacturing and building things here.
In Bob Beckel's defense, he would actually that's maybe the last thing where he's a Democrat. That he would actually like. What did he start with by saying we bring them over here and then we train
the students?
So we bring the students over here,
educate them, and then they go back to China and then they hack into our thing.
They can't learn how to hack over there. They have to learn here. Is that what he's suggesting?
Apparently.
I don't know a lot about how the hackers work or where they're educated, but I have a sneaking suspicion that part wasn't true.